Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am doing video 7 of my crystal series, and it will be rhodonite nails today. So I think they turned out really lovely, and I'm really pleased with how easy some of these crystal nails are to do. So I will start it off by showing you the colors that I used. So I combined these two colors together to get the pink that I needed, and then I added also some white and a little bit of black also. So here I have mixed those two pinks together, and I've just added a little bit of white and a little bit of black, and I'm going to start off by adding blooming gel. So I'm going to do one nail first completely, and then I'm going to do exactly the same thing to the other nails. So I'm putting blooming gel over the whole nail, and you just place it randomly and just let the blooming gel do its work. So just let it kind of spread out until you're happy with how it looks. If you want to add more veins or more colors, these crystals are very random with the way that they look, and no two are the same. So it's perfectly fine to have different pattern on each nail. In fact, it looks more crystal-like. So just follow along and watch what I'm doing, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Now that I've cured it and I was happy with it, I'm going to go around the border with a rose gold glitter. I did try the straight gold and I didn't really like it with the pink for some reason, so I've decided to go with the rose gold glitter, and that's just a little bit more subtle and really pretty. I really like this one. So basically just going to go around the border, going to cure it, and then I'm going to put a top coat on, and that nail is done. And then I will go ahead and do the same random patterns on the other nails, and as you will see, I'm just going to let the blooming gel kind of open it up. And with this one particular, you can see that it's got like a white circular pattern, which is really looks like a proper crystal imperfection, which I loved. So I just left it, and I will show you how the rest turned out as we go along. And here is how the first one turned out. I absolutely love it. I really wasn't expecting it to turn out so good. So that's the first one finished, and now I will just go ahead and run through the next slot with you, and be back when I am pretty much finished. Now this is how they turned out, guys, and I love them. I couldn't believe how well they turned out with such easy design to do with the blooming gel. Obviously make sure you cure the blooming gel as soon as you get the pattern you like so it doesn't keep spreading. What do you think, guys? Would you wear these? I know I definitely would, and I think they are pretty true to the rhodonite crystal, adding a little bit of bling for jazz and to make them pretty for a nail design. What do you think? Love to hear your thoughts, and if you have any suggestions for any more crystals. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.